You want to go for a walk? You want to go? You want to go for a walk? Yeah? You want to go for a walk? Yeah? What a walk. Ask Daddy. You stay lover. Kiss? You want to kiss? You want to kiss? You want to kiss? Ready for a kiss? Where do you want to go? You want to go? Yeah? Let's kiss. Let's do lovers. You want to do lovers? You want to? You want to do it? You want to kiss? I love it. Oh. I gotta scratch myself first. They got the leash out. This one pulled it out of the bathroom. That's a sign that I need to walk them. Requesting for a walk? Are you requesting for a walk? We wait for Daddy until he comes back, okay?